Welcome to Premier. This overview shows you how to use Premier to shop for the latest devices, manage your accounts, generate reports, pay your bills, and more. With Premier, you are in control. Easy-to-use self-service features give you the power to manage your mobility accounts on demand. Now, let's shop. Check out the latest devices and accessories. Zero in on products that match your business needs by filtering or customizing your search. Then, select a rate plan and features. With a click of a button, you can add new lines or upgrade existing devices. To simplify future purchases, create custom packages. Just select the device, accessories, rate plan, and features you want to include in the package. For your next purchase, just choose the package and go right to checkout. Manage your lines and make changes to your account with Premier. Update rate plans, add or remove features, and change billing responsibility anytime. If an employee is traveling abroad, add international features. Then, remove them when they get back. It's that easy. Whether you have 25 lines or 25,000, you can analyze your monthly bills with flexible reporting tools. Try our convenient, ready-to-use reports, or create custom reports based on the data you choose. View data by departments, regions, and more. Generate reports on demand or create a report schedule. For example, schedule a billing report to run after your cycle closes. Then, check your email on the day that you choose to find the report. Or schedule a report for the middle of each billing cycle. Then review the data and make changes before the cycle ends. For example, with a mid-month unbilled usage report, you can move lines to a different group or update rate plans as needed. To learn more, training resources are right at your fingertips. For help, just select the question-mark help icon. AT&T Premier is here for you online anytime. To register and log into Premier, go to wireless.att.com/premiercare and choose Register Now.
Thanks for watching. For more videos from AT&T Business, click subscribe.